Here's something that sounds strange. Visa and Mastercard are two of the most profitable companies on earth. And neither of them is actually a bank.
They don't lend you money.
They don't hold your savings. So where does all that profit come from? Let's break it down.
The middleman model.
Visa and Mastercard don't issue cards, and they don't decide your credit limit. That's the bank's job. Chase it a bank, whoever gave you the card.
What Visa and Mastercard
Actually do is run the network. Think of them as the toll road between the store, your bank, and the merchant's bank. Every single time a card gets swiped, tapped, or entered online, that transaction has to travel through their network to get approved. And every trip through that road
comes with a toll.
Interchange and network fees. That toll is called an interchange fee. Every time you buy a coffee, a small percentage of that purchase, usually around 1 to 3%, gets split between the bank that issued your card and the network that processed it. It sounds tiny, almost invisible, but multiply that by hundreds of billions of transactions happening every single year across over 200 countries, and you get a river of cash that never stops flowing.
Visa and Mastercard
don't need you to go into debt, they just need you to keep swiping. Volume over debt.
This is the key difference from a regular bank.
A bank makes money hoping you carry a balance
and pay interest. Visa and Mastercard
make money regardless of whether you pay your bill in full or not. They get paid on volume, not on debt. That's actually why their business model is considered safer and more stable than a traditional bank's.
They don't carry the risk of you defaulting on a loan.
The bank takes that risk.
Visa and Mastercard
just take a small cut for making the transaction possible.
Global scale and currency conversion.
Another quiet profit center.
Currency conversion.
When you travel abroad and pay in a different currency,
Visa or Mastercard handles that conversion
and adds a small fee on top. Multiply that by millions of travelers, tourists, and international shoppers every day, and it becomes a massive revenue stream that most people never even notice. Data and extra services on top of transaction fees.
Both companies also sell data, insights,
and extra services to banks and merchants.
Fraud detection, analytics, tap-to-pay technology,
and licensing their brand name and network to financial institutions worldwide. So even when you're not buying anything, their infrastructure is quietly working, protecting transactions and generating value behind the scenes. Why it's genius. The real genius of this model is that Visa and Mastercard never touch the actual money. They never lend it, they never hold it, they never risk losing it. They just move information, approval signals across a global network, and collect a toll every time. It's one of the most scalable business models ever built. So next time you tap your card for a $2 coffee, remember, a tiny fraction of that just became part of a multi-billion-dollar machine that never sleeps.